Hello YouTube. Today I just received my 13-inch laptop, the Dell Inspiron M301z, and I'm gonna do an unboxing. So this laptop cost me £335. It has the AMD dual-core processor, 1.3 GHz. I think it's the Neo K345 AMD processor, and I got it from eBay, from a Zavvi eBay outlet. A lot of people are buying these laptops because they're pretty cheap. They normally sell for around £400 if you check on Google. So here we got the a box with the charger, AC cable, AC charger. The plug that connects to the AC charger, and a USB to mini USB. The laptop hasn't got a built-in optical drive, so they give you this this mini USB optical drive. It's pretty nice. You just slide the CD in. It doesn't actually come out where you mount the CD. You just slide the CD in. Let me take this out. And the laptop itself. This is the bottom of the laptop. This is a metal casing, so I've heard. This bit's plastic, and the battery. This chunk here, right here, is the battery. Ah, a bit hard. I'll do that later. Now that's the front, which looks really nice. This will be a fingerprint magnet, but that's fine with me. But look at that, it looks really nice. This is actually plastic. It's got like a metal finish, but it's actually plastic. Here, this is the right hand side of the laptop. We have this 7-in-1 memory card reader. I think it's SD, memory stick, dual, and all of that. This is a USB eSATA combo, so it works as a USB and as an eSATA port. This is the headphone jack. Here we have the microphone jack and an Ethernet port. I'm not sure if it's a gigabit Ethernet or 10/100, whatever that is. Doesn't really make a difference to me. You know, it's going to give me internet, that's fine. At the back here, we have the Kensington lock spot here, right here. And under this, it's a HDMI and a mini display port. That works good for me because I just bought a Dell 24-inch monitor which has a HDMI as well, so that's great. On the left hand side we have the power. This is where you put the power. The vent, cooling vent, two USB 2.0 right here. So all in all there's 3 USBs. As you see here, fingerprints already. Anyway, inside, this is I think almost full-size keyboard. Not exactly sure. This is a massive touchpad, 2 buttons, and the trackpad itself. This looks really nice. Power button up here. You have the webcam, 1.3 megapixel webcam, and the mic, built-in mic, and the keyboard itself. So I'm actually really happy that I bought this. Looks really good. Oh, I forgot to mention 2 speakers at the bottom, one there, and also right here, 1, 2, and also LED lights, status lights, 1, 2, 3. So this has been the unboxing of the Dell M301z, and that's it. I got carried away there a little bit, and I forgot to mention with what also comes, which is the piece of paper here, a CD with the necessary drivers, I think, yeah, drivers and utilities right there, and manual. Not really important things, but I guess I had to put them in. Okay, that's all.